Hello guys, I will be showing you how you can download NIXWARECC. First you go to the link in my description and you paste it in your browser. Puts you here. It's a Christmas sale right now, it's 25% off. And you will get 5 days extra for free with my link. It's right now 210 rubles. You select your plan. It's a one-time purchase for 14, 30, 60, 90, 365 days. It's really cheap compared to other cheats. You select your time, your method of payment, and use Stripe, and you just buy it. Just select your package, add to cart, go to checkout, continue. You select Stripe, continue, you put your email here, and you complete. You get redirected to Stripe, and you pay. Once you bought your cheat, you should get a purchase invoice, and you click on redeem purchases, and you copy your code, and you go back to the site. You go to user panel, buy subscription, redeem code, and you put your code in here. I've already used this, so it's invalid, but you click on I'm not a robot, redeem code, and you should get this page here. You go to your user panel and you click on download loader. It usually shows up as a virus, but it's not. You click on save, you start it. Don't forget to turn off your antivirus software, and you need to log in. Now here is my products. If you want to use CS2, you press this, CSGO, then you press one of these. I want to use CS2, and I press on this. It starts loading, starts Steam, then you choose your account, and it should start CS2. Now when it says success, you go back to your game, or if you're there, it just opens up your menu, and yeah, that's it. Now I will be showing my config for you guys. If you buy the cheat with my link and you send the message to me on Discord, I will put it right here. I will be sending you a config file for free. Now you got my config downloaded. I will show you how you can import it to the cheat. Bring up the menu with your insert key right here, and you click on the left bottom corner of your menu, and you press on open directory. This will bring up your explorer, and you drag and drop your config file in there, and you go back to CS2 and you click on refresh, and you select the config file and you press on load. This will load the file hopefully. I do not advise you to use rage functions in Premiere because that will get you a cooldown and a ban in rare cases. You will get red trust easily. Now here's some cool gameplay footage for you guys.
bounce in the club, so the hoes call me Rocket. Posted in the cut, and I'm looking for a blockhead. In my white tee, I break a bitch back, and I keep a big bang. Rock it like that. Before I leave the house, yeah, I'm still on the goose, and I'm hot in a plane. Tell a nigga really listen, I can lean with it, and I can rock that. And if you got a free, she got a sucker car with it. Ain't gonna rock with it, rock with it, lean with it, lean with it. So damn hard, you pick a string with it. You get it, jeans with it, jeans with it, green with it. In the spot, ain't watch me make your face beat up my hands. Watch me make your face beat up my hands. Beat up my hands. Fucked up. And my pills stick to my pants. I'm in no done on the floor. They screaming, nigga, tell them. Get on your arms, on your ass, put them in rotation. Take your side, that side is like I'm a mile out of state. Doing the dance, they never seen that. I ain't Fat Joe, but snap your fingers, then you lean back. I ain't Fat Joe, but snap your fingers, then you lean back.